second graders, it's Mrs. Clark. Today in math, we are going to be working on combinations of 10 and also working on doubles facts. So here we go. All right, boys and girls, here I have drawn two tens frames. So this is a 10 frame and this one is a 10 frame. What do you notice about the double 10 frame? It would help if I turned it the correct way for you. All right, now look at it one more time. So this is a 10 frame and this is a 10 frame. What do you guys notice about the double 10 frame? Take a moment to look at it closely. A couple of things that I noticed when I looked at this is I saw here is a tens frame and here is a tens frame. It shows 10 squares plus 10 squares. I noticed that there are 20 squares altogether. I also noticed that it has 4 columns and it has 5 squares in each column. Here's a column, here's a column, here's a column, and here's a column. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each one. So if I had one whole column filled up, I would know that that was 5. You've probably seen these 10 frames as we've looked at the quick look cards and we see the double tens frames. After we look at each pair of tens frames, you will be able to see the number of dots that are covering it. Here is an example of a quick look card. Look at it quickly. What did you see? Did you see 11? If you did, that's correct. All right, here's another quick look card. Look quickly. Do you have your number? Okay. What did you see? Did you see 5 plus 5 equals 10? You are correct. All right, friends, here's one more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What did you see? If you saw 4 plus 4, you are correct. Let me take this piece of paper away. So what I saw with my eyes is I saw 4 dots plus 4 more dots. And boys and girls, we call this a doubles fact. We call that a doubles fact. What are some other doubles facts that you know? Let's go ahead and write down a couple. I've taken some time to write down some doubles facts for you. Notice what's happening with these numbers. Here's a 1 and another 1. This is a doubles fact. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Whenever I add two numbers that are exactly the same, we call that a doubles fact. So these are a few doubles facts. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 8 plus 8 equals 16. I wrote a few examples of some larger doubles facts. 40 plus 40 equals 80. I know that 4 plus 4 is 8, and I know 0 plus 0 is 0. 100 plus 100 is 200. 1,000 plus 1,000 is 2,000. So these are a couple extra doubles facts. All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and move on to combinations of the number 10. Combinations of the number 10. Combinations of 10 have a sum. Sum is a fancy math word That means the answer to an adding problem. So if you have a question that says, what is the sum of 7 and 3? You will know that the word sum just means the answer to an adding problem. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the combinations of 10. Combinations are numbers that add together to make 10. So combinations of 10, we could have 8 plus 2 equals 10. I look at the first number and I think, what do I need to make the number 10? Well, I can use 2. A couple more that we could write. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Notice 5 plus 5 is also a doubles fact. What other numbers can you combine together to make 10? If you have 8 plus 2 equals 10, 2 plus 8 equals 10 as well. So I can actually reverse these numbers to make a combination of 10. What about 7 plus 3 equals 10? There are many ways to make the number 10 by combining different numbers. What I would like you to do with me now, I would like you to find your Student Math Journal Volume 1, and I would like you to turn to page 22. And it looks like this. Go ahead, I'll give you just a minute. Your teacher can pause the video if you need time to get this out. Today we have talked about using 2 different strategies to help us solve problems. The first strategy that we talked about was the doubles strategy. So we can go ahead and write down the word doubles. We can write down the word doubles. And then we've also talked about combinations. So write the word combinations, C-O-M-B-I-N-A-T-I-O-N-S, combinations of 10. Okay, so it says use this page to record addition strategies. When you don't know how to solve an addition problem, you can look here for ideas. So one strategy that we use to solve addition problems is to think of the doubles facts. So let's go ahead and write down a few of those doubles facts. We're not going to write all of them. Let's write 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 6 equals 12. And 9 plus 9 equals 18. Good job. If you need a second longer, you may pause the video. Other strategies that we can use, well, we know about using combinations of 10 to help us with our adding problems. So we'll write a few down, not all of them. Let's do 8 plus 2 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. And 6 plus 4 equals 10. Take a moment and write those in your student journal. We will add to this page another time. If you are in a classroom right now, turn to a partner that's close by you and tell them a doubles fact that you know. Then say a doubles fact that you want to learn. If you are at home right now, tell your parents a doubles fact that you know, and go ahead and tell your parent a doubles fact that you want to learn. You did a great job today, boys and girls. Today for your math work, you are going to work on your math boxes on page 23. And you also have another math book called Home Links. In the Home Links book, you are going to work on page 29. You do not need to take it out of your book. You can leave it in there. So you're going to work on page 29 in your Home Links. You're going to work on page 23 in your math journal. All right. See you tomorrow, boys and girls. Bye-bye. I'm sorry, boys and girls. I looked at the wrong page. So in your Home Links page, I would like you to work on page 19. Your Home Links book looks like this one. Sorry about that. I told you the wrong page. So page 19 in your Home Links book, and then page 23 in your math journal. All right, your teachers can help you out by writing those pages on the board for you. And I will write those page numbers on the slide deck for you so you can look at that. All right, really this time. Have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.